Hi, it's Courtney Whitmore from Pizzazzerie.com. Today I wanted to share one of my favorite party punches. It's a citrus champagne punch that's perfect for birthday parties or get-togethers, and it's easy to make, and you can make it half of it in advance and add the champagne when you're ready to serve. I always love to serve it kind of at a special occasion or a party, but you can also just make it for a fun weeknight cocktail. So I'm gonna show you how to make it. It just uses a few ingredients, and many of them are things you probably already have at home. So first up is grapefruit juice. I love to use a ruby red grapefruit juice because I love the pink color that it brings. So you're just gonna add about an ounce. You can measure it, or you can add a more or less grapefruit juice that you like, whatever you prefer. Orange juice, so about an ounce of orange juice. And then the simple syrup. Again, this is a little bit up to you. If you like a sweeter punch, then go for it. Add a little more. I add between half an ounce to an ounce, just depending a little bit on the champagne. If you have a sweeter champagne, use less simple syrup. You get the idea. Then, once we've got those ingredients in there, we are just going to top with champagne, which is the best part. And again, if you're making in advance, you can just prep this fruit juice blend with the simple syrup in advance and just have it in the refrigerator, and then you can go straight to the champagne when you're ready to serve. So, champagne all the way almost to the top. And at the very end, I love to do a splash of grenadines. It just gives it this really beautiful kind of ombre pink color. It's just so perfect. And these are called Sweet Williams, but you can use any kind of fruit and floral garnish that you prefer. Obviously, edible only would be wise. So this is just a really pretty party punch. I love to serve it at any sort of gathering, and I think you're really gonna love it. For the full recipe, head to the blog at pizzazzerie.com.